Je crache, il est là. Déjà. Mike, bienvenue en France. Bienvenue en Bretagne. Après le Rhineland en Allemagne, ça doit changer.
Merci Céline, oui, c'est clair, c'est vraiment différent. Une heure des pausiers en jet et me voilà presque teleport sur une autre planète.
What are you going to tell us today?
After Cologne? We needed to rest. Camping? Yes. France, northern Brittany, next to St. Malo, beach, dawn and dusk from the air, extreme hiking on the cliffs. It's going to be a visual orgasm, so I really suggest you watch until the end.
After so much political incorrectness in Germany, is it eroticism on the Breton coast?
And yes Celine, at dusk, the magic hour, fly away. The wind is your lover, it caresses you with passion. Goosebumps, first uncontrolled tensions. Keep your eyes peeled. I know. You never thought that simple images could have such a hold on you. But let it go, stay with me. This is the magic of cinema.
Tu es fabuleux, shut up and continue. I beg you, make us dream.
Full throttle then. Head towards the light, towards ecstasy. Above all, Celine, do not close your eyes. Spread your wings, fly to the sun of your dreams, you are the angel of his desires. Come and go, wave, light and dark. More and less and more. Faster, slower. Your eyes are on the screen, I know, the visual orgasm is almost here. Folks, follow us. We are all one now.
I'm almost there.
We stop everything then. Folks, a little more? Listen to the voice.
Working all day long, I'm exhausted of it all. The hopes are waiting for me under my pillow. It's on, it's on, it's so on, and it's so on, and it's so on. To pay for what I say, we all want to be alright. We all want to be alright. Don't want to pay for what I say. We all want to be alright, but we can't.
Waking up early in the morning with the sun. Sleeping in, it's something I had hardly ever experienced, except for taking a plane. So I will share this moment with you. A coffee in front of the tent. Not a sound. As silent as the grave. Only a few birds. Second day that I wake up at dawn to go and film dawn in all its privacy. The day before, the weather was bad, I went anyway. Today, well, I forgot to charge the drone batteries, and when I capture these morning moments, I do not know yet that the next day, tomorrow, I will not hear the alarm clock. I had to be content then with shots in the intense sun of the day and the erotic twilight to achieve this aerial orgasm. Nobody is perfect. I border on perfection, but I am not perfect. I am not very convinced by the result of my assembly work with this tent. The air mattress deflates, either I lose pounds or I change mattresses.
Maybe you have to stop the beer.
Out of question. New mattress. Minimalist material, nothing forgotten. Decades that I haven't camped. I now feel ready to face all the climatic catastrophes to come.
Follow on Vimeo, like, subscribe and comment on YouTube.
Thanks Celine, and above all to share my work. It would be a shame if all this were to be lost in the event of an Ebola pandemic. For donations, Patreon. I take this opportunity to thank our first patron and big fan, MJ Fraser from Scotland. Thank you for your support, I am touched. You already had early access to this video, but without this ad, as once you are a patron, there are no ads like this one for you. As soon as I've gathered ideas for the next episode, I'll share them with you. In a way you will be part of the 4K3 Men's team. Soon others will join us. Now, a few more moments of extreme ecstasy. Hang on your seatbelts. Intensely dangerous trekking. I quickly show you with Google Earth on my computer where this is happening. Scene? Not far from St. Malo. We could have gone to St. Malo, but this episode is a Mike in the wild, not a Mike in the city. Besides, we've been there before. There are videos about St. Malo on YouTube, I know. It's not 4K3 Men's, but hey, it's not too bad. In the area, there are extremely dangerous cliffs accessible to pros of our level only. At any time you can fall into the sea and be thrown by the waves on the rocks, and what remains of your miserable crushed body will be eaten by the white sharks. Frightening. Devoured by sharks. Horrible. Fortunately, we took our fabulous drone with us. No need to abseil these cliffs with a GoPro. Let's go. Oh, before we get down to real business, the episode's word. Celine?
Orgasm is the word, isn't it?
That you are insightful, Celine. I am absolutely impressed, not to say subjugated. So let's see, definition of orgasm. Orgasm is the peak of the sexual arousal phase. Medically, it is accompanied by an acceleration of the heart and respiratory rhythms. At this moment, proteins are also released, offering a deep feeling of well-being. Yes, I think that's how you can feel when watching this video. Let's let go, keep your eyes peeled and enjoy this intense moment of visual excitement. Towards the top. Attention, forbidden to heart patients. Widen your eyes. Let yourself be taken by the images.
You are really fantastic, really, absolutely, totally unique. Mike, I had never felt that in my life.
What if we get in the water? Well, folks, with me.